starting off my weekend vlog. Well, it's almost the weekend. It's like Thursday, so we'll just pretend. I'm craving coffee, so I'm gonna have this one, see how it is. They have a, whoa, lighting change. They have a coffee at Whole Foods. It's like Stumptown cold brew with oat milk. It is the freaking bomb, but they didn't have that one this time when I went, so I got this one instead, and I love this brand, so I'm gonna fill this with some ice.
Just waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no smoke. And mama cooked the breakfast with no talk. I got my grub on, but didn't pig out. Finally got a call from a girl.
That is really freaking good, but I will say, I do prefer the other one better. Hey guys, it's now the next day. It's like later in the afternoon. Let's see. It's like almost 4 o'clock, but oh, the sun just came out for like 2 seconds. Did you guys see that? I want an iced coffee, but I had one the other day around like 4 o'clock and I was up the entire night and couldn't sleep. So I really don't want that to happen, but I really want an iced coffee. So like, what do I do? Do I make the iced coffee? I mean, I don't have to like be anywhere tomorrow, so. But it's still like annoying when you're trying to sleep and you just can't go to sleep when you want to go to sleep. It's a really big struggle. The wind right now is going absolutely crazy. The sun like peeks out like every few minutes and then it's just like dark clouds. Every day it's rained, like every single day since I've been back. Like, look at this. Dang. Like literally rain every day. There's maybe like one day that's supposed to have a little bit of sun, but and now the sun is coming like back out from behind a cloud. Completely changed my mind on the coffee. I decided, terrible idea. So now I'm looking for a snack. I don't know what the heck I want to eat. I think I'm gonna have some watermelon. I don't know. Looks pretty bomb. Weird combo, but watermelon and jalapeno chips. I'm so hungry. I eat the weirdest combos of food all the time. And I'm just gonna catch up on some YouTube videos real quick. My apartment is freezing right now. I am so freaking cold. So I'm gonna go and catch up on some YouTube.
And everything is all. I got a peek from Kim, and she could do it all night. Called up the homies and I'm asking y'all, which part are y'all playing basketball? Get me on the court and I'm troubled. Last week messed around and got a triple-double. Freaking brothers every way like MJ. I can't believe today was a good day. And everything is all. I got a peek from Kim, and she could do it all night. Called up the homies and I'm asking y'all, which part are y'all playing basketball? Get me on the court and I'm troubled. Last week messed around and got a triple-double. Freaking brothers every way like MJ. I can't believe today was a good day.
Hi guys, so it's a little later in the day. I fell asleep for like 3 hours. I was having terrible like pain in my mouth, so I fell asleep. I took some like pain meds and it just like knocked me out. But I just got up and we're gonna run to the grocery store real quick and grab a few things. Just about to put on my anklet. I don't know which one I want to wear. I think I want to do this one. It sounds like it's about to storm outside right now. Okay, got my little anklet. And I'm just wearing a Brandy Melville t-shirt, and then I have on some Lululemon shorts, and I'm gonna do my shoulder bag, of course. Getting ready to go, just waiting on Bo, and we're gonna go pick up a few things. And then we're gonna come back. I think we might watch Sleeping Beauty tonight. It's my favorite movie, like, ever. My favorite princess in the world. I wanted to be her so bad. I still want to be her. But, yeah. Okay, I'll take you guys with us. And then I just threw my hair up in a little, like, low bun. It's so easy and simple. I'm not wearing any makeup today. Don't need it. And then I have on my Fearless sneakers. And I decided to go with the black shoulder bag instead of the white. So this is the look of the day, and I need to go grab my reusable bags. So I got my reusable bags. I'm just gonna bring a Lululemon one, and then I have this one from Lush. I love it. So cute. It holds so much stuff, and we're not getting a lot, so I think this will be plenty. Oh, and I need to get my produce bags, my little produce bags. I'm just gonna bring 2 of these. They're so convenient, and I love them because you don't have to use those plastic bags that they have there. So yeah, trying to save the world one step at a time.
Was a good day. Today was a good day.
So Bo's in another store right now. I'm just in the car, but I got this protein shake. It is, it's a plant-based, it's organic protein, plant-based drink, 0 grams of sugar, 21 grams of protein, and it was so good. I just drank the entire thing. I'm about to go do a workout when I get home, so it was really good. And I love this brand. It's by Garden of Life. It's one of my favorite brands. I'm like obsessed with their like protein bars. They're so bomb. But yeah, we're just about to like head home, waiting for Bo to get out of the store. So I just got out of the shower, as you can see. I'm about to have a juice, and then I'm gonna finish getting ready, and we might go to Target today. I'm not sure. So we're about to go to Target. I wanted to show you guys my OOTD. Got on some Fearless sneakers. This skirt is from Princess Polly. I think this top is from Forever 21, I'm pretty sure. White shoulder bag, black scrunchie. Not wearing any makeup today because don't really feel like it. So just natural look. My hair is like so messy and wavy. It's ridiculous, but it's okay. We're just going to Target. So just wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. So we went and got peach green tea lemonades. So good. This is like my favorite summer drink, like every summer of my life. So we're walking like out of Target to go to World Market, and it's beautiful, it's sunny, and then all of a sudden it became like so dark, like very dark. The sun is gone and super windy. Felt like I was gonna blow away. So now we're just headed back home, and we're gonna go make burgers. So pretty pumped. Okay, so I just got back home from Target. I'll show you guys what I got. So I picked up these hair clips. It's just basic hair clips. I've been wanting some to do like some cute hairstyles and stuff. And then I also picked up some shampoo and conditioner while I was out because I'm almost out. I usually do the Way shampoo and conditioner, but we went to Target, so I just got this one. This is a purple conditioner and then a deep clean clarifying shampoo, and it smelled amazing. It smells so good. It smells like my hair salon back home, which is awesome. I've never tried this brand, so I will let you guys know how it is. This is just the shampoo and then the conditioner. So I thought it was like a really pretty aesthetically pleasing looking bottle, so that's what drew me to it. And then it smelled really good, so I got that. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this stuff away real quick. And I need to get started on dinner. We're making turkey burgers tonight, and I think Bo's gonna make like whiskey sours, and I'm gonna do maybe an Aperol spritz. That's like my summer drink at the moment. So I changed into some sweats. We're just cooking dinner right now. Bo made some coleslaw. I'm making the burgers. He's slicing up some, what is this, whiskey cheddar? Is that it?
Check.
I think. It's like
Whiskey, yeah.
Yeah, whiskey cheddar. We're gonna put that on the burgers. It tastes so good. These are my turkey burgers. I'm also making corn. And then I'm going to grill. I'm gonna grill some onion and bell pepper to put on top. So. And we also have brioche buns, which are the bomb. I'm so excited about these buns. They look so bomb. Brioche buns are the way to go. The way to go. Okay, so we just got done with dinner. We have coleslaw that Bo made. We have corn with a big old piece of butter. And then this burger looks beautiful. I am so excited to eat it. Looks so bomb. And then an Aperol Spritz, of course. So we're gonna go eat dinner. Got in the bed, I just sprayed my lavender pillow spray. And I'm so tired, but dinner was phenomenal, so good. But I wanted to jump on real quick and end off the vlog here. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. All right, bye guys.
I was up late night balling, counting up hundreds by the thousand.